don't know what they think I have. I just came in to check the camera because it was not working from in the house. And you see everybody's here at the door to greet me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, now right here, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, that one just popped down, 21, 22, and 23. Everybody's here and everybody's good. You okay back there, Cheeto? Barely see Cheeto back there behind Spicy. Okay. I found that I had a box from Sam's that had cat food in it, and it was out on the front porch. All locked up, all closed up. And when we went to bring it back here, something, noodles, it's okay, I clawed into the box. So I think maybe my neighbor is not feeding their kitty cat very much, very well, or something, I don't know. I think there's a kitty cat around here that needs more food, so I'm going to get some and put it out. Shh, don't tell, it's a secret. Don't worry, they're not going to end up back here. I'm just going to try and help them out, since they're apparently not getting it. Alright, I'm over time. Please subscribe. It's just a matter of pushing a button. Don't cost you a dime. Subscribe. Thank you.